Hi, I'm John Butler. When I was 16, just starting to drive, my grandmother gave me this Model A as long as I would fix it up and drive it. The gas tank is actually right in the cowl here, so you can see the floating gas gauge as you wiggle. It bounces around, you can see how much gas we got. It was pretty rough. Brakes were disconnected, everything needed to be rebuilt. Roof leaked, windshield was rough, everything like that. This is the park and brake.
Nice.
And then I have to turn on the gas down here.
Okay.
And there's an electrical disconnect down by my foot that I've already turned on. And then you can change the ignition timing to retard it, to start it. Throttle up here, key switch on. And then down here, I don't need to choke it because it was just running, but on a cold start you can choke it like that and change the fuel air mixture by turning it. So each year I would go through whatever was in the worst condition and fix it and drive it for the summer, with the goal of never having it so far apart that I wouldn't be able to enjoy it for a summer. Each year I picked one little, assembly to rebuild. A couple of years ago I rebuilt the transmission, put that back in and drove it. Last year was steering column, and then this year I replaced a couple tires. So it's fun to keep it on the road and drivable. It doesn't need to be super shiny, pretty, worry about getting scratches. It's enjoyable to drive it. Traditionally, I make at least one trip into Schenectady, where I work at P1, to just, enjoy getting out with it. And there's always new guys at work that are interested. We go for rides. It's fun to have something that's that old, but we can still maintain and take care of.